English conversation. Greetings.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been good. I'm going to school right now.
What school do you go to?
I go to Boston College.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. It's a really big campus.
Good luck with school.
Thank you very much.
I have to go, so I'll talk to you next time.
Okay. I'll see you around.
Jennifer, what's up?
Hi, David. Nothing much. I'm just hanging out. What's up with you?
It's a good day. I'm feeling fine.
How's your sister?
She's fine. Not much has changed.
Well, I have to go. Nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you too. Take care.
Take care, and I'll see you later.
Hello, Maria. How are you doing?
I'm well. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I can't complain. Life is treating me well.
That's good to hear.
Good to see you again. I need to go to my doctor's appointment.
Nice seeing you.
I'll catch you later. How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. And you?
I've been busy working.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm an accountant.
Nice. How long have you been doing that?
For about 5 years now.
Where do you work?
I work in downtown Boston.
What company do you work for?
I work for Bank of America.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I love my work. I couldn't ask for a better job.
That is awesome. Good to hear that.
What about you? What have you been up to?
I'm looking for work at the moment. I'm heading to my interview right now.
Good luck at the interview. We should get together sometime.
Yes, definitely. I'll give you a call later.
I'll talk to you later. Take care.
Hello, how are you doing?
I am doing quite well. How are you?
I've been better. I'm completely swamped with work.
I know the feeling. My boss works me hard too.
Enough about work. How are the kids?
They are good. The oldest is about to graduate from high school.
You're kidding me. That's great.
The youngest is about to start middle school soon.
My son is about to start middle school as well.
Hey, maybe they will be classmates.
It's a strong possibility.
Yeah. Well, I want to try and beat the traffic. I'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good one. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fantastic. How about yourself?
That's great. I'm good, but I feel a little sick.
That's not good. I heard there is a flu going around.
Well, I have to be sure to take good care of myself.
It sucks that you aren't feeling well. It's a nice day.
It is, the sunshine makes me want to go to the beach.
That's a great idea, but I think you'll get sicker if you go.
You're right. Perhaps we can go some other time?
For sure. Let's get together next week and go if you're better.
Sounds like a plan. I'll talk to you later.
Cool, see you later. I hope you enjoy the video and learned something from it. Please check out our other videos and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.